Okay guys, it's getting tiring. Everywhere. Hi guys, Selamat Hari Raya, Maaf Zahir dan Batin. How are you all doing? So today back to vlogging, and yeah, I'm going to the mall with my friend. As you know, the mall has been reopened just I think 2 weeks now, and we are going to check out what is the new norm in the mall, what stores are open, and yeah, what's it like shopping back with the new norm. Welcome to Bintang Mega Mall, Miri's first mall. Bukan lah. Iyalah, Bintang's first mall. Yeah, Miri's first mall. Ta-da! Tutup. So as you can see, most of the clothes stores open. So today's vlog is all handheld. Do expect a lot of shake. Alright, so we're here at Uniqlo. Let's muscle. Why got no sales on Uniqlo? Kenapa air pun dah sampai? Kau place order tak?
Please dah.
I think she's new in Sushi King. She don't know how to place order. See, she tekan settings on the iPad. So welcome to the new Bintang, guys. Basically everywhere you need to scan your face. Scan your QR code and fill up and stuff. Well, I guess it's for the better. Otherwise you won't know who's having what and if they've contaminated the place. So I watched one video of my favorite travel vloggers, on his opinion on travel in the near future. He say get travel insurance before you travel. What do you think?
My travel insurance doesn't do me anything, doesn't do me any good. So go for the most expensive travel insurance.
My answer is there is no vaccine, there is no treatment. Which insurance is going to cover you? Nobody's going to cover your bum. So just stay at home, guys. That is travel. Cuti Malaysia. So I think it's early.
ASMR. And if you are from a country that is recovering, don't bother to go to country. That applies to me actually.
Yeah, I know it sucks, but I think now is the best time to make the best of your backyard. Sabah, Terengganu, Langkawi, Sarawak. You're into forest, hiking, culture. The red line is manual focus. Okay, you see the kotak, that is face detection.
Kotak is.
Guys, when you wear glove, please don't do that. You wear the glove, you are basically acting as a transporter of whatever virus. It's more sticky than your hands. So if you're going to go shopping, just wash your hands after that. You wear your glove, you touch, then you go back home, then baru you buka. Tapi you spread so many things along the way.
Everything that you touch.
Yeah.
Including your car's handle, your steering wheel,
Yeah, it's
your
not
plastic
considerate.
bag, your purse.
Please don't do that, okay? And go cashless if you can. And don't buy the mask yang berdesign, yeah. Batman lah, Superman lah, because you don't know the efficacy yet. Okay, time lapse time. Is buying new skipping rope for the future.
Digestion. Serious.
First time I heard the digestion pakai skipping rope.
So you should eat alone lah. Basically, there. You shouldn't eat
Ya ke?
with someone. You see? You can only sit at one chair. What? So if you
Okay.
come with two person,
Okay guys, don't come out. It's meals alone, yeah?
you will sit at the
mall number 2 and it's Permaisuri Mall. A lot of shops are open.
Pernah dengar tak istilah fashion victim? I don't know whether English got that term.
Means what? You're a victim to fashion, right?
Yes.
Have you heard of that term?
Oh, you never heard of it?
No.
Fashion victim.
So maksudnya kau terperangkap dalam fashion tu.
Yes.
So
Fashion
you
is not cantik.
you maksudkan someone lah. Okay, what fashion do?
No lah.
Audience who recognize the problem of my camera always falling off.
Yes.
So she's not kidding about this
That
anti-slip mat.
makes her a lousy driver.
So I'm going to try it out and let's see if it's continuous sticking or not.
Don't blame me if the camera doesn't stick.
No, we will definitely find you. We're at Tea Life to get some tea. So they're moving out Esprit at Imperial and they're having 50% off. What's the color of Bendera Malaysia, guys? My friend said this is Bendera Malaysia. She either cannot believe the price or it's damn ugly.
Damn ugly.
Ugly?
Cantik kan?
Okay, I met some friends. Everybody's going mad because of the clearance sale. So stores are not really allowing you to try your outfits. So basically you gotta test it. I mean, check on it. Check on yourself if it fits. And keep your receipts. Maybe they allow you to return it. So take note of that. This is Miri Farmer, modern farmer. Okay guys, my friend is attempting something. So I stupidly bought some. Don't spoil your card lah if you need it.
No, that one is all useless card.
Oh, but then still her purse is full of card.
Yes.
So yeah, I bought some phone holder and I knew it was a bad idea, but I was desperate and this is what
And she
happened.
didn't consult me.
Yeah, I didn't consult her. And I hope I didn't spoil the surface. I think I did, but
Can you close the window over your side because I'm scared your camera will jump out.
jump out.
Yes.
By the way, the camera is sitting on the mat that we bought just now and I think he's doing a great job, don't worry. So
Thanks to me.
hey, where's the brand name tadi?
No need brand name lah. Only RM1.70.
Huh?
RM1.70.
This one?
Yes.
170 cents?
Yes.
It was $11 or something.
No. $11 is this.
Okay guys, so that shows you that not everything that costs expensive does the job. Ni murah dan mampus also works, okay?
Oh, thank you. Thank God. Okay. Thank
Wow, that was clean. A round of applause, guys. Okay, add sound effect. Bars are open. Yeah, because these bars serve food as well, so they are open until 10 o'clock only. We got a very beautiful sunset today. Wow. Jom pergi mana? 6:15 Tanjung saja lah. Tak apa.
Nah, try. 7, 6. You have 5 seconds left.
Oh guys, this mat's doing a good job. See, I'm not even touching it anymore. Let's get some sun in our face. Woo. Perks of living in a coastal town. Ming's open. This is the owner's car.
Which one?
You can follow him. His name is DJ Golek on Instagram.
Wow, it doesn't move an inch.
We're going to a place called Koko Cabana. This is a very famous place in Miri, whereby
surprisingly you tear off the instruction. Not you, me.
Famous place in Miri, Coco Cabana. It's basically a sunset spot with a seahorse. I've got a drone shot of the seahorse, a very nice drone shot of the seahorse in my previous Miri vlog. A very old vlog. I didn't throw away, I sold it off. To a rich man who told me he was poor and he wanted to buy a drone for his 4-year-old child because she got no more toys. Wait, look at the number of cars in Coco Cabana.
This is like COVID birthplace, rebirth place.
Oh my god. Penuh eh?
Macam Islamic.
The sea is nice and blue.
Cantiknya.
Sebab hari ni very clear.
Cantiknya.
Orang-orang pun cantik. Coco Cabana is close it guys, close it. But you can still go to the sunset spot via the jogging path, which I think I will walk.
I don't know how to insert this knob into this. So
She gave up.
how the hell did you do it?
I think lately I'm doing a lot of DIY stuff. Then like this. Ta-da!
No, this one is should be done.
Can I push it?
Okay.
How to fix this? Lock this.
You
masih
you
gerak.
put first. You make it sub the window first.
Yeah, I know, but this hinge belum ketat kan? Sweet!
You haven't cabut dia.
Ta-da! Okay, we'll do it later. We're going to catch sunset.
Faking laugh.
Okay, we're maintaining this. She's trying Sorella Amo's selfie unit. Don't come forward. Okay.